Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share my secrets for the perfect tea. Not only perfect, but so fast and easy and convenient. I just got myself this glass electric kettle. It's been such a time saver. It's been very safe to have it in my kitchen and so easy to wash. If you allow me, we're first going to open it and see how white the mouth is, which makes my so easy to wash. Bring the sponge in, wash it, keep it clean. Not only that, but it has this little filter here. So if I have any loose leaf, right now I have cinnamon, I pour it and I don't have any of the leaves or any of the little sticks of the cinnamon. It's just so practical. It also has the feature where once the water is boiled, it'll turn off. It has saved me time, and this is so beautiful, so cute. So maybe it'll be a perfect gift for a relative or a friend, and that's just my point of view.